हेलो बच्चों, द क्वेश्चन इज मेल गैमेटोफाइट इन एंजियोस्पर्म्स प्रोड्यूस एंड द ऑप्शंस आर सिंगल स्पर्म and two vegetative cells. Second option is three sperms. Third option is two sperms and a vegetative cell. And the fourth option is single sperm and a vegetative cell. So, male gametophyte. Male gametophyte or the pollen grain. Gametophyte is the structure or the plant part which produces gamete. So, pollen grain is the male gametophyte. Now, a pollen grain, initially it has two cells. One is smaller in size and one is with irregular nucleus and is larger in size. So, this is the structure of a pollen grain at its two-celled stage. The larger cell is called the vegetative cell and the smaller cell is called the generative cell or the germ cell. Now, this generative cell undergoes division and the division is mitotic one as it is already haploid. And from one mitotic division, two small cells are produced and these small cells are called male gametes. So, if we draw the structure of a pollen grain at its three-celled stage, then it will be having a larger cell which is the vegetative cell with irregular nucleus and two smaller cells which are called the male gametes or male germ cells. So, let's see the options now. Single sperm is the male gamete. So, here you can see that there are two sperms or two male gametes. So, this statement is wrong. Three sperms, again this is a wrong statement. Two sperms and a vegetative cell. So, it is a true statement as two male germ cells or the sperms are there and one vegetative cell is there. So, male gametophyte in angiosperm produces two sperms and one vegetative cell. So, option C is the right answer. All the best, bachcho.